Ever felt a desire so strong that you could almost touch it? The power of visualization is a wonderful tool that can help us transform our dreams into reality. It's like planting seeds in the garden of your mind. When you visualize your desires, you are nurturing those seeds, allowing them to grow and flourish. Today, I want to guide you on a journey of manifesting your dreams through visualization, a process that can truly change your life. And visualization is a simple yet profound technique. It involves creating clear and vivid mental images of what you want to achieve. By doing this repeatedly, imagine doing it 100 times, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to attract those very experiences into your life. When you visualize with intention and emotion, you align yourself with the energy of your desires. This is how the law of attraction works. Let's start by creating a space that feels safe and comfortable for you. Find a quiet corner where you can relax. It could be your bedroom, a cozy chair in your living room, or even a peaceful spot in nature. Take a moment to breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you do this, let go of any tension in your body. Feel yourself becoming more grounded and present. Now close your eyes and envision what you truly desire. What do you want to manifest in your life? It could be anything: a loving relationship, a fulfilling career, financial abundance, or even better health. Whatever it is, allow yourself to see it in your mind's eye as if it has already happened. Picture it in vivid detail. What do you see? What do you hear? How does it feel? Engage all your senses. The more real it feels, the more powerful the visualization will be. Once you have a clear image, repeat this visualization process consistently. Make it a daily practice. Perhaps you can dedicate a few minutes each morning to visualize your dreams. With each repetition, you strengthen your intention and signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. As you visualize, it's essential to infuse your thoughts with positive emotions. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your dreams are already coming true. This emotional connection amplifies your manifestation power. When you feel good about what you're visualizing, you are raising your vibrational frequency, aligning yourself with the energy of your desires. Let's explore how this works. Imagine you're visualizing a beautiful, fulfilling relationship. Picture yourself with your partner, experiencing moments of laughter and love. The more you engage with these feelings, the more you are training your subconscious to attract similar experiences into your life. You may encounter obstacles or doubts along the way, and that's completely normal. It's essential to acknowledge these feelings without letting them overpower you. Instead, focus on your vision and the positive emotions it brings you. Remind yourself that you are deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Each time a negative thought arises, gently replace it with a positive affirmation. Say to yourself, "I am worthy of love, happiness, and success." This affirmation will help shift your mindset and reinforce your belief in the power of manifestation. Consider creating a vision board as a tangible representation of your desires. Gather images, words, and symbols that resonate with your goals. Place them on a board where you can see them daily. This visual reminder reinforces your intentions and keeps your focus aligned with your desires. Each time you glance at your vision board, take a moment to visualize and feel the emotions associated with your dreams. Another powerful technique is to write down your goals. Journaling is a wonderful way to clarify your intentions and keep track of your progress. Write as if your dreams have already come true. For example, instead of saying, "I want a new job," write, "I am grateful for my fulfilling job that brings me joy and abundance." This shift in language creates a positive affirmation and allows your subconscious to accept these statements as reality. In your visualization practice, it can be helpful to set specific times for deepening your connection with your desires. Perhaps you can dedicate time before bed or upon waking. These moments are often when the subconscious is most receptive. Allow yourself to drift into a relaxed state and visualize your dreams coming to life. Trust that the universe is working to bring them to you. Patience is key in this process. Trust the timing of the universe and continue to nurture your dreams through consistent visualization. Each time you visualize, you are planting a new seed. With care, attention, and love, these seeds will grow into beautiful manifestations in your life. And as you continue this practice, celebrate every small victory along the way. Acknowledge the signs and synchronicities that show up in your life as indicators that you are on the right path. When you focus on gratitude for what you have and what is coming, you align yourself more closely with the energy of abundance. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for attracting even more blessings into your life. You might also find it beneficial to connect with like-minded individuals who support your journey. Surrounding yourself with positive energy and encouragement can elevate your vibration and inspire you to keep going. Share your dreams with others and listen to their experiences. Note that the journey of visualization and manifestation is unique to each person. What works for one may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. Be gentle with yourself as you navigate this process. Trust your intuition and allow it to guide you in discovering the techniques that resonate most with you. As you continue visualizing and manifesting, always return to the core belief that you are the creator of your reality. You have the power to shape your life with your thoughts and feelings. The universe responds to your intentions, and when you align your energy with your desires, you open the door to infinite possibilities. Visualization is not just about dreaming, it's about taking inspired action toward your goals. As you visualize your dreams, consider what steps you can take to bring them closer to reality. Whether it's networking, learning new skills, or simply being open to new opportunities, action is a crucial part of the manifestation process. If you ever feel stuck or overwhelmed, return to your breath. Breathing deeply can ground you and help clear your mind. It's essential to stay connected to your purpose and passion, allowing that energy to guide your actions. Every day is a new opportunity to visualize, to dream, and to manifest. Each time you visualize your dreams, you are telling the universe, yes, I am ready to receive. Trust in the process and believe that what you desire is already on its way to you. Visualization is just the beginning of a larger process that invites us to actively participate in our lives. It opens up pathways to deeper understanding and connection with our inner selves. As you continue to practice visualization, it's crucial to also cultivate awareness of your thoughts and beliefs. Your mindset plays an integral role in how effectively you can manifest your desires. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself, as these narratives shape your reality. If you find negative or limiting beliefs surfacing, take a moment to acknowledge them without judgment, then gently guide your thoughts back to positive affirmations and visualizations that resonate with your true desires. Another essential aspect to explore is the role of intuition. Our inner voice often provides guidance and nudges that can lead us closer to our goals. And when you visualize, take time to listen to what your intuition tells you. It may suggest actions to take or new ideas to pursue. Trusting your instincts can open doors you may not have considered. Journaling can be a powerful tool in this regard. Write down any insights or inspirations that arise during your visualization practice. This can help you track your progress and highlight areas where you feel particularly inspired or excited. Additionally, consider incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine. Mindfulness can enhance your ability to visualize and manifest. By being present in each moment, you can better connect with your feelings and desires. It helps to clear mental clutter, allowing your true intentions to shine through. Practicing gratitude alongside your visualization can also amplify your experience. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for what you already have. This positive energy helps align you with abundance, making it easier to attract your desires. As you move forward, be open to adjusting your approach based on what resonates most with you. Everyone's journey is unique, and flexibility can be a powerful ally in manifestation. And if something isn't working, feel free to explore other techniques or methods. You might find that a combination of practices works best for you. Experimentation can lead to discoveries that further enhance your manifestation process. It's also valuable to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your commitment and belief in your dreams. Acknowledging these wins reinforces your motivation and encourages you to continue pursuing your goals. Whether it's treating yourself to something special or simply taking a moment to reflect on your progress, celebrating achievements cultivates a positive atmosphere for further growth. As you engage with your visualization practice, know that patience is key. The universe often works in mysterious ways, and sometimes our desires take time to manifest fully. Trusting the process can be challenging, but it's essential to remain focused on your vision and maintain a positive mindset. Stay committed to your practice, even during moments of doubt. Your persistence will pay off in ways you may not yet comprehend. Now, as we come to the conclusion of this exploration, I encourage you to take a moment to acknowledge the power you hold within. You have the ability to shape your life through your thoughts and intentions. Visualization is a profound tool that, when combined with action, belief, and positivity, can lead you to remarkable outcomes. I invite you to engage with this content further. If you found value in this video, please consider liking it. Your support not only encourages me, but also helps others discover this transformative information. Subscribing to the channel allows you to stay connected and receive more insights that can enhance your journey. You can also share this video with friends who might benefit from it. Spreading the word about the power of visualization can inspire others to take charge of their lives. Note, as you visualize and manifest your dreams, you are not alone. There are countless others walking similar paths, and together we can uplift and empower one another. Thank you for being part of this beautiful exploration of visualization and manifestation. Your journey begins now. Visualize, believe, and take inspired action.